Hey everyone, and welcome back to video part 3 of Sims 3. Okay, so at last we have made our sim and we have bought her a home. So let's continue, shall we? Hello and welcome to Sims 3. This is your new town, just waiting for you to shape and change it. See the green ball? That's a map tag and it represents your house. Congratulations on a solid property purchase. Okay, we shall click on that, I suppose. No, we shall click this arrow. Notice the assortment of different map tags in the town, each of them representing a house, business or community location. But where's your sim? Just click on the View My Sim button to zoom right in. Okay, let's do that, shall we? View my sim. Okay, for some reason the game is lagging. Not too sure why. Okay, there you go. Let's learn about tilting, zooming the camera. To tilt, just click and hold the mouse wheel and move the mouse forward and backward. You can also click tilt on puck below. Okay, let's try it, shall we? Okay. Okay, nice. It's got a nice little home too. Okay, let's find out about the next one, shall we? This one tilts it. No, it's not bad at all. Okay, very good. You can also zoom in this view. To zoom in and out, roll the middle mouse wheel up and down. You can also use tilt, rotate, zoom buttons to control the camera. Yes, we've already worked that one out. Okay, game's being really laggy. Now let's explore your house. There are a few tools for helping you do this. The floor up and down buttons let you view different floors of the house and see the action there. The wall view button controls the way walls appear. There are 3 modes to choose from, which allow you to view the walls in different ways. Okay, let's see, shall we? Okay, that one's no walls. Nothing is moving right now because time is paused. You can unpause gameplay by clicking the play button. You know what your sim could really use? A new couch. Check it out. Your sim has wishes and how your sim tell you what they want. Move over the wish for more information. Okay, let's do that. Okay, there it is. Go to more information.
Don't forget to watch the time.
Your sim wants to sit and relax after a long day of moving. Buy your sim a couch by going to the... Disappeared on us. Okay, we'll click it anyway. Promising a wish means you'll help your sim fulfill it at some point. Each sim can have up to 4 promised wishes at a time, and the best way to see how to fulfill a wish is to move over it. So where can we get that cash? Let's go to buy mode. Okay. Same icon we use in Sims Freeplay. You can furnish your Sims house in buy mode by using household funds to purchase stuff. Now let's buy a couch to help out. You've been given a one-time $500 bonus. Click on the couches. Let's see which one we like. That's with sim points. I think we'll go with this one for now. Prim and proper. Evidently you must be able to choose different colours. Not sure. No, I think we'll stick with the white one. Nice. Moving furniture is pretty simple. Now that the cursor turns into a hand, when moved over objects, it can be picked up and moved. Click once on the couch to pick it up, then move it somewhere else. And click it again to place it down. Very good. The furniture can also be rotated. To rotate, click on it once to pick it up. Then click and hold the left mouse button. Okay, and move the left mouse button and it rotates. Okay, very good. Great. Once the couch is exactly where you want it, let's go back to live mode by clicking the live mode button. Okay, I'm returning it instead of moving it. Right. Let's go back to the live mode. By buying the couch, you fulfilled the wish and earned your sim. Hang on, I'll just turn the music down a little, because it's a little loud at the second. Alright, let's leave it there, shall we? Okay. Okay. By buying the lounge, you fulfilled the wish and earned your sim some lifetime happiness. Get enough and you can unlock some sweet rewards. It looks like your sim has another wish. See what it is and then promise it for your sim. Okay. Okay, your sim parallels have been hidden for you. You can always view them again by pressing the expand button. For now, let's fulfill the new wish. To interact with objects or other sims, just click on them. Direct your sim to sit on the couch. I want her to sit though, but apparently she's going to nap. Okay. As I said, it's extremely laggy at the moment. I wonder how long she sleeps for. Guessing she'll get up soon. I am trying to get her to get up and move, but yeah. Evidently she won't do it till she's finished napping. Aha, there was a sit. Sorry, I didn't see it. Well, she got a rest as well, so she got a bonus. If you're ever unsure, you may have noticed the little green icon popping up. These are moodlets and represent effects of actions. Your sim has a positive green moodlet now because you just helped fulfill a wish. Move over it for more detailed information. Fulfilled satisfaction. Oh, cool. I get 20 plus mood. The fulfilled moodlet gives a mood boost for a few hours. You can track your sim's overall mood with the mood meter. When a sim's mood falls, they become grumpy and may not always listen to you. Move over the meter for more detailed information, which we've already done. Excellent. She's very happy. Wonderful. The options menu is in the corner, and now would be a great time to save your game. There's a lot more